Hi everyone, welcome back to Soaps by Chinwe. If you've been making soap for a while now, you probably have some pieces or cutouts lying around, maybe from trimming, shaping or testing. Don't throw them away. Today I'll show you how to revise soap cutouts into small beautiful bars. So what exactly is soap rebatching? Soap rebatching simply means melting down already made soap, either leftovers or old batches, or soap that didn't lather well, and you want to remake it. Maybe you got a bad soap at the end of the day, you can still rebatch them to get beautiful bar soaps. So in this process, we are rebatching soap instead of wasting them. So let's start by grating the soap. The smaller your soap pieces, the easier they will melt. You can use a simple kitchen grater or cut them into tiny pieces. Try to make the pieces even in size. That helps them soften evenly when heated. Now it's time to soften the soap. Place your grated soap into a heat-safe bowl. In this process, I used 250 ml of water in this production. Please don't rush this process, okay? Just take your time, be patient, because too much of heat in this production can lead you getting bad soap. So be patient, take your time. It's just about 10 to 15 minutes, your soaps are ready. As you can see, don't use too much fire. I use stove for this production so that it can be easier for me to regulate my fire. Use stove, then you can lower it to the lowest. If you have gas, if there is any way you know that you can regulate your fire, it's fine. But don't use too much heat. If not, it can burn your soap or making you to have lumpy soaps. Stir occasionally. Don't stir too much. Just occasionally. You stir, you stop, you stir, you stop. It's time to add silicate. So silicate helps the soap to harden faster, and also it gives the soap that shiny look and also smooth. It makes the soap to look smooth and shiny, and also harden the soap faster. Don't add too much silicate, just add little. The one that will be enough, just little, about 5 ml of silicate, depending the quantity of soap you are rebatching. So it's time to pour in our rebatch soap into the mold. You can use any mold of your choice. If you don't have this plastic mold here, this is a silicone mold, you can improvise. Use a takeout plate, or you can use any plastic shape like an object. Just improvise. You must not have this exact type of mold. You can use any other plate, plastic plate, any plastic stuff. You can use it for this molding. Allow the soap to cool and harden for some hours. Like this my soap now, it takes just about an hour to two. Was it up to no? Just an hour to two for the soap to harden up. So once it's firm, gently pop it out of the mold. If it sticks, you can place it. If you have a fridge, you can just put it in your fridge for about 20 minutes and it should release easily. It will be easier for you to remove. But this my own, it doesn't take time at all. It's very easy and fast. Just an hour plus my soap hardens up. And that's it. Your Rebatch soap cutouts are ready. You've just turned leftover scraps like pieces of soaps into something fresh and beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other soap lovers. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Soaps by Chinwe. Bye.